Welcome to SCON Design India Private Limited. The use of 3D laser scanning has greatly improved the data collection and analysis processes in several fields. SCON Design India Private Limited is a front-runner among Indian businesses using 3D laser scanning to provide precise and comprehensive information for architectural and engineering endeavors. SCON Design India Private Limited's 3D laser scanning technology allows for the rapid and accurate capturing of an item or space's physical dimensions, resulting in high-definition 3D models. The building, architectural, and industrial design industries may benefit greatly from this technology due to the need of accurate measurements and data. SCON Design India Private Limited is able to save time and money by using 3D laser scanning, which also improves the precision and quality of their work. SCON Design India Private Limited is a front-runner in the Indian 3D laser scanning market because of the company's dedication to innovation and cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching.